So you're thinking about a career as a quality engineering technician.
Excellent choice.
It is.
It is.
It's a field that's only becoming more important
Yeah.
as technology gets more complex.
Absolutely.
And with your knack for problem solving and that eagle eye for detail,
Yes.
this could be a perfect fit.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's one of those fields where you're not just building a product, you're building quality into the product.
I love that. Building quality IN.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got stacks of info here from RoleCatcher.com.
Okay.
Their career guide for quality engineering technicians.
Right.
A peek at their interview resources. Even how their job platform works.
Yeah, it's a goldmine. And what I appreciate is RoleCatcher's focus on turning knowledge into action. Taking what you learn and using it to land that job, ace that interview, really build a future.
Love that. Actionable advice is where it's at.
Yes.
The first things first.
Okay.
Let's break down what a quality engineering technician actually does
Yes.
day to day.
Day to day, yeah. In a nutshell, they're the guardians of quality.
Okay.
Making sure products, processes, even entire systems are meeting the highest standards.
Okay.
Think of them as detectives, A&D architects of the manufacturing world.
Detectives and the architects. I like that.
Yeah.
So one day you're on the factory floor,
Right.
magnifying glass in hand,
Yes.
figuring out why a part isn't fitting. Right.
Exactly. You're analyzing the problem,
Yeah.
using your knowledge of quality control principles to pinpoint the root cause. Is it a material flaw? A machine calibration issue? You're solving the mystery.
Solving a mystery. Very cool.
Yes.
And the architect part comes in when you're...
Designing solutions.
Okay.
Maybe you're revamping a process to prevent future defects.
Okay.
Developing inspection plans, or even training colleagues on those eagle-eye inspection techniques.
See, this is what I find fascinating.
Yes.
It's this blend of technical know-how
Yes.
and people skills.
You hit the nail on the head. It's not enough to just spot a flaw. You need to communicate it effectively.
Right.
Whether you're writing a detailed report,
Okay.
explaining a complex issue to management, or coaching a team member,
Yeah.
those communication skills are paramount.
Yeah. And speaking of variety,
Yes.
where would you actually find yourself working?
The work environments are surprisingly diverse.
Okay.
You might be on the bustling floor of a manufacturing plant,
Right.
in a state-of-the-art lab running tests,
Okay.
or even at a desk in an office analyzing data.
Right.
The guide even mentioned potential travel opportunities for some roles.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it's not just about the where, but the what that can change from day to day.
Precisely. And that brings us to a really important point.
Okay.
The impact of technology on the field.
Here's where it gets really interesting.
Yes.
We're not just talking about digital calipers here,
Yeah.
are we?
No.
The guide mentioned automation,
Right.
digital inspection tools, even AI-driven quality control systems.
Exactly.
It's like science fiction becoming reality.
Absolutely. Think about AI-powered cameras on a production line that can spot microscopic defects in real time.
What?
Way faster and more accurately than any human ever could.
It's incredible.
Or imagine using predictive analytics
Okay.
to anticipate potential problems before they even occur.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So in this role,
Yes.
you wouldn't just be keeping pace with technology.
Right.
You'd be at the forefront of it.
Exactly. And that constant evolution keeps things exciting.
Right.
You're always learning, always adapting to the latest and greatest advancements.
Yeah.
It's a field that definitely keeps you on your toes.
And that brings us to you.
Okay.
Do you have what it takes to thrive as a quality engineering technician?
It's a mix of hard skills and soft skills.
Okay.
A real balancing act.
Okay, let's break that down. What are we talking about specifically?
Yeah.
What skills should someone interested in this career focus on?
On the technical side, you've got your quality control analysis.
Right.
That's understanding how to measure and maintain quality throughout the entire manufacturing process.
Okay.
Then there's a good grasp of mathematics.
Right.
And maybe even some chemistry, depending on the industry you're in.
So a solid STEM foundation is super valuable here,
It is.
but it's not all equations and beakers, right?
No.
You mentioned soft skills too.
Absolutely. Remember, you're often the bridge between the technical details and the people making decisions.
Right.
That means being a master communicator,
Okay.
explaining complex issues clearly, whether in writing or face-to-face.
So I can't just mumble about standard deviations and expect everyone to follow along.
Probably not. And it's not just about explaining.
Right.
It's about active listening,
Okay.
understanding different perspectives,
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's from a colleague on the production line
Right.
or a manager worried about deadlines.
Okay, that makes sense. You've got to be able to really hear what everyone's saying,
Yes.
not just waiting for your turn to talk.
Exactly. And that ties into critical thinking.
Okay.
Another essential skill.
Right.
You're analyzing data,
Mm-hmm.
spotting inconsistencies,
Right.
thinking on your feet to solve problems in real time.
So it's not just about knowing the rules of quality control.
Right.
It's about applying them thoughtfully
Yes,
in often unpredictable situations.
exactly. You've got it. And that brings us to the question of qualifications.
Right, because
Karen.
these skills, especially the technical ones,
Yeah.
you don't just pick them up overnight.
True. For entry-level positions, a high school diploma,
Okay.
especially if you've taken some shop or technical courses, can
Oh.
get your foot in the door.
Okay.
But more and more, employers are looking for that extra edge.
Which is where certifications come into play, right?
100%. You know how in martial arts, a black belt signifies mastery?
Right.
Earning a Six Sigma black belt shows employers you're at the top of your game in process improvement.
Okay.
And there are other certifications like Certified Quality Technician,
Right.
CQT,
Okay.
or Certified Quality Engineer,
Hmm.
CQE.
Good.
These credentials carry a lot of weight.
So it's worth investing the time and effort to earn those certifications,
It is.
not just for landing a job, but for climbing that career ladder.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is that RoleCatcher actually has resources to help you prep for those certification exams.
Oh, wow.
It's like they've got your back every step of the way.
Okay, let's say we've got the skills.
Okay.
We're working towards certifications.
Yes.
But how do you actually break into the field? Where do you even begin your search?
Internships are a fantastic way to get your foot in the door.
Okay.
Real-world experience before you even graduate is invaluable.
It's like a trial run where you can test drive the career and see if it's truly a good fit.
Exactly. And alongside internships, don't underestimate the power of co-op programs.
Now, for those who might not be familiar,
Yeah.
what exactly is a co-op program?
Great question. Basically, it's a structured program where your education is integrated with paid work experience.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to classes
Right.
and also working in your field of study,
Go ahead.
gaining practical skills and building your professional network.
It's like a fast-track program to becoming a pro.
Yes. And don't forget about volunteering.
Volunteering for quality control.
Yes.
I wouldn't even know where to start.
Think about local organizations or small businesses.
Okay.
Many would love an extra set of eyes to look at their processes and suggest improvements.
Right.
Even on a volunteer basis.
Okay.
It's a fantastic way to apply what you're learning and gain some hands-on experience.
And I bet it does wonders for the resume.
Yes.
Showing initiative.
Exactly. Okay, so let's say we're in the door, we're
Right.
gaining experience.
Mm-hmm.
What does the long-term trajectory of a quality engineering technician look like?
Right.
Where can this career path take you?
Yeah, because no one wants to feel stuck in a dead-end job.
No.
We want to know there's room to grow. So there's room to grow. There's definitely some upward mobility here.
Oh, tons. You're absolutely right. You might start as a junior technician, but with experience, you could move into a senior role,
Okay.
leading a team, mentoring new hires, even running entire projects.
So you move up to management.
Exactly.
Okay, got it. And I bet some people leverage their expertise into more specialized areas, right?
Absolutely. Some quality engineering technicians become Six Sigma masters,
Okay.
guiding companies through complex process improvements
Right.
to boost efficiency and reduce defects.
Right.
We're talking about a highly respected, highly sought-after expertise.
It's like being the Sherlock Holmes of streamlining operations.
Yeah.
Finding those hidden inefficiencies that no one else can see.
Yeah.
But instead of a magnifying glass, you've got your Six Sigma toolkit.
I like it. And of course, as technology continues to revolutionize manufacturing,
Right.
there's going to be a huge demand for technicians who understand those systems inside and out.
Makes sense.
You could find yourself working on the cutting edge of automation, programming, quality control algorithms,
Wow.
even designing the factories of the future.
So really being on the front lines of where this whole field is going.
100%.
Okay, so we've got a clear picture of the possibilities.
Yes.
But let's get down to brass tacks.
Okay.
How do you actually land that first job?
Right.
That's where RoleCatcher's platform seems like a total game changer.
It is, yeah. It really is. Their job platform aggregates listings from all over the place.
Okay.
So you're not wasting time scouring dozens of websites.
Right.
Plus, they go beyond just matching keywords.
Okay.
They analyze your resume,
Okay.
comparing it to the specific requirements of each job you're interested in.
Wait, so it's not just Oh, I see the word quality on your resume. Here are 1,000 jobs.
Right. Right.
It's more nuanced than that.
More.
Yeah.
Their system actually scores your resume against the job description,
Oh, wow.
highlighting any gaps and suggesting areas for improvement.
Oh, that's useful.
Very useful.
Okay.
It's like having a personal resume editor at your fingertips.
No way. That's incredible. So instead of sending out generic applications into the void,
Yes.
you can tailor each one to highlight the skills and experience that specific employer is looking for.
100%. They even have a tool that flips the script entirely.
Okay.
You tell it your skills.
Right.
And it finds companies who are actively searching for someone like you.
Wow. That's next level. It takes all the guesswork out of job hunting.
Yes.
No more wondering if your application even landed on the right desk. You're going straight to the source.
Exactly.
I love that. Okay, so we're being strategic about our applications.
Yes.
But even with the perfect resume
Right.
and a platform that connects you with the right opportunities,
Yeah.
there's still that one final hurdle, the interview.
Yes, yes.
It can feel like the ultimate test.
Yeah, it can.
But don't worry, I hear RoleCatcher has us covered there too, right?
They do. They really do. Remember those 120,000 practice interview questions we mentioned?
Yes, I do.
Well, those are just the tip of the iceberg. They also have AI-powered feedback.
What?
You can record yourself answering practice questions.
Yeah.
And get personalized tips on everything from your delivery to the content of your answers.
Okay, and that's impressive. That's like having a personal interview coach in your pocket,
It is.
analyzing your every word and gesture.
Yes. And they even help you tailor your answers to the specific company and role.
Oh, okay.
Remember all those keywords we talked about?
Right.
The skills and experience that employers are looking for?
Ours?
Their tools help you weave those right into your answers,
Oh.
showing the hiring manager you're a perfect fit.
So you're not just reciting canned responses.
Right.
You're demonstrating a genuine understanding of what the role requires and how your skills match up perfectly.
Exactly. And that level of preparation can make all the difference. When you walk into that interview feeling confident and prepared, it shows.
It's like anything else in life, right?
Yeah.
The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you become. And that confidence can make all the difference.
Couldn't agree more. Couldn't agree more.
Well, there you have it, Deep Divers. We explored the ins and outs of being a quality engineering technician, from the skills you need to thrive to the strategies to land your dream job. We talked about the blend of technical expertise and people skills, the excitement of working on the cutting edge of technology, and the potential for growth and specialization. And we even got a glimpse into how platforms like RoleCatcher are using technology to make the job search smarter and more efficient. Until next time, keep diving deep.